Installation video of floor-mounted bathtub faucet, including a star box. Fix the expansion screws onto the floor according to the dimensions given. After making sure the star box is level, fix it by fastening the expansion screws. Confirm the cold water inlet and the warm water inlet. Have the inlet pipes wrapped by Teflon tapes, and screw them into the water inlets. Or by accessory K3727801-1 from our customer service department, and install it with the help of hot melt pipe. For the water circuit layout in special positions, please refer to the layout on the screen. Remove the protective cover and the screws, and keep them properly for later use. Use the provided hoses and their connectors to drain the silt and other dirt in the hose. Do a pressure test. After making sure there's no water leaking from any pipe or hose to connector, install the protective cover. The height after cementing and tile paving should meet the maximum and minimum marked on side of the protective cover. Keep cement or mortar from interior of the protective cover. Cut out the protective cover's part more than 10 mm above the tile surface. Take out the plug, water supply connector and screws in the embedded valve. Have the water supply connector installed onto the faucet body with the help of the M6 bolts and the accessory package of the embedded box. Install the cold water inlet hose and the warm water inlet hose correctly. Have the water supply connector installed onto the faucet body with the help of the M6 bolts and the accessory package of the embedded box. Fix with the M8 bolts in the accessory package. Make sure the faucet body is fastened. Turn off the handle and turn on the water. Make then no connector is leaking. Apply silicone sealant into the gap between the protective cover and the floor. After waterproofing, drop the decoration cover till it is in contact with the floor. Do not scratch the main body.